Total, how many row sets are there? 5. What are those? First one, JDBC row set. Second one, cached row set. Next, web row set. Next, filtered row set. Next, join row set. Okay. See, this row set is alternative to a result set. Row set concept, it is an alternative concept to a result set. Instead of result set, you can go for row set. If we compare result set and JDBC row set, if we compare result set and JDBC row set, how many differences? How many? 3 differences. What are those? Serializable concept. Next, Java bean and implementation class, only one required. JDBC row set and cached row set, if we compare, one difference, that is connected, disconnected. Okay. Remaining 3, same like a cached row set, because these are all disconnected only. Okay. Web row set, cached row set, both are same. We have additional operation, writing web row set data to XML file. That is only additional. But it is also disconnected, it is also disconnected, it is also disconnected, it is also disconnected. So these 4 row sets, same type, but additional operations are there. Now, web row set data, you can write to XML file. That purpose we can use. And filtered row set, join row set. These 2 we'll see. Next, filtered row set. It is not important. Just I'll give description. Why? I'll explain. Filtered row set. It is same as cached row set. It is same as cached row set. And additionally, it allows to filter the data. It allows. It is same as cached row set, and additionally, it allows to filter the data from row set by using methods. It is same as cached row set, and additionally, it allows to filter the data from row set by using methods. It is same as cached row set, and additionally, it allows to filter the data from row set by using methods. See, it is same as cached row set, and additionally, it allows to filter the data from row set by using methods. Suppose connect system manager, select star from student. Now here 7 records are there. See, it is same as cached row set, and additionally, it allows to filter the data from row set by using methods. Suppose it's a database. From this database, you'll get the data. That data stored in row set. From this row set, you can filter the data using this interface methods. Okay. But from database directly, you can filter no? With a select query. Say here from database to row set. From row set, you are going to filter through Java methods. But here what will happen? Through SQL queries only directly you can filter. So as compared to this one, this is better, no? But you should know SQL. But here SQL knowledge not required. with Java knowledge is possible. That is only difference. But if everything is possible with Java, then it is okay. But everything is not possible with Java, then compulsory we are depending on SQL. That's what it is better appears. So here database to row set to filter. But here directly you can filter that particular data only comes as a row set object. So here, if you want to filter here, suppose select a star from student where marks are greater than or equal to 80. Then those who got 80 and above, those details comes. Like this, the select query, hundreds of types you can write. With that knowledge, you can filter the data. No, that is the reason it is not important. Okay, filtering methods are there. You can filter, but instead of that, with select query only you can filter. It is better. Okay. Next, this is also not important. Join. Next, write it. Join row set. It is also same as cached row set, and additionally it allows to join 2 or more row sets data by using methods. It is also same as cached row set, and additionally it allows to join 2 or more row sets data by using methods. It is also same as cached row set, and additionally it allows to join 2 or more row sets data by using methods. Same. Suppose it's on database. From this database, one row set comes. You will get the row set. From this database, one more table has one more row set. This row set, if you want to join, then we record join row set. But with SQL queries, directly you can join 2 tables, you can bring one row set. No, SQL joins are there. No, that's what that is better. So instead of this join row set, SQL joins are better. So till those who didn't learn SQL, compulsory learn SQL. It is compulsory. One database knowledge is mandatory. That is also one course. 3 months you will learn. That is also 2 months you will learn minimum. So SQL, PLSQL. If you learn any database, either Oracle or MySQL or MySQL Server or DB2, Derby, any database, one database knowledge is mandatory. In all databases, best option is Oracle, because now Java developed by Sun Microsystem. Now that company purchased by Oracle Corporation. Now Oracle people only purchased Java. So Java also now Oracle product, and so Oracle also Oracle product. That's what highest priority they'll give for Oracle only. That too most popular database Oracle only. Best option Oracle. Okay. More secure database also Oracle. So in all databases, Oracle is the best option. That's what. Learn one database. That is Oracle. You already learned other database means you continue with that only. You didn't learn database means better to go for Oracle. Oracle is the best option. Java people, they'll give highest priority for Oracle only. Okay. Now, actually, world #1 programming language for internet applications, Java. World #1 database, Oracle. World #1 server is there, WebLogic. That is also for Oracle people purchased. Now, 3 products, #1 products are there with Oracle. Actually, that server is developed by other company, BES Systems. That server also these people purchased. Oracle people only. Now, world #1 language, world #1 database, world #1 server. These 3 products are with Oracle Corporation only. Okay. Now, those who didn't learn, either parallelly now itself or after advanced Java learn. But at last you have to learn. Okay. Now, This is about row sets. 5 row sets, 3 row sets you studied. These 2 row sets not important. Leave it. Okay. Now, here up to here, this is JDBC. Just one more concept left: transaction management. Nodal. Transaction management in JDBC. Transaction management in JDBC. Transaction management in JDBC. So just with this concept, JDBC will finish. Okay. Tomorrow I'll start solids. Tomorrow I'll start solids. Now, transaction, but solids also JDBC required. Solid JDBC I'll combine. Okay. Transaction management in JDBC. First, here, what is transaction? Transaction means it can have one operation or more than one operation also. Transaction means it can have one operation or more than one operation. For example, you want to withdraw money. Now you want to withdraw money from your account. That is one transaction. You are withdrawing money from your account. That is one transaction. You are depositing money in your account. That is also one transaction. But transferring fund, your account to your friend account, that is also one transaction. But 2 operations are there. Transfer fund contains 2 operations. Money deducted from your account, money deposited to your friend account. That means 2 accounts you are using, but 2 operations you are using. But at last, it is one transaction. Now, here, suppose you are transferring fund, some amount to your friend account. Your account, suppose in ICICI Bank, your friend account in HDFC Bank. Transferring possible or not? Possible. Are they using same database? No. 2 different databases. Suppose this is one database. This is suppose ICICI Bank database, and it is one more database, HDFC Bank database. Okay. In between, server will be there. You are performing transaction from client, either mobile or desktop or your laptop or the ATM or bank system, any one system. Now, if you want to transfer fund from your account to your friend account, first money should be deducted from your account. Then money should be deposited to your friend account. Now, it is one transaction. Transaction name is called transfer fund. Transfer fund. But here 2 operations are there. Money deducted from your account. Money deposited to your friend account. So here withdraw is there. Here deposit is there. Suppose money withdrawn from your account. It is successfully executed. While depositing, some problem occurred. It is failed. One operation success. One operation failed. Is it transaction is success or fail? Fail. Transaction is fail. So here succeeded operation also we have to cancel. One operation success. One operation failed. At last it is called fail. In a transaction, if 10 operations are there, if 10 completed, the transaction is success. But 9 success, 1 fail also, it is called fail only. Okay, like that. Then what we have to do? We have to cancel these transactions. We have to cancel that operation. But if you want to do that with a database programming possible, with a Java JDBC programming possible, later you learn frameworks, with frameworks possible, with the server protocols also possible. Like that, they'll take care many places to maintain these transactions. That's what separate library also is there. JTA, Java Transaction API. It is one separate topic is there. JTS, Java Transaction Service. You will learn in Spring Boot. At that time, you will learn this topic. Present manually how to do in JDBC, I'll explain. But same like a real time if you want, Spring Boot frameworks. At the time, same like a real time, this separate topic is there. Java Transaction Service. For that, separate library is there. Java Transaction API. So further, you'll learn so many concepts in a Spring Boot. Java transaction service, JTS, JMS, Java messaging service, JAS, Java authentication and authorization service, and Java mail. These all so many service programs will be there. Those all you learn in with frameworks, Spring framework, Spring Boot framework. At the time you learn. Okay. Now one operation success, one operation failed. At last transaction is called failed. This is we have to cancel. That means it is first saved. It is failed. Then this saved operation also we have to cancel. We have to undo that type. That purpose we have some methods in JDBC. That is I'll explain. But in real time with frameworks only we'll do. With servers we'll do. Okay. With the database two-phase commit protocols will be there. With that they'll perform. Okay. But in JDBC, just introduction, little bit will be there here. Next, write it. Here, transaction. Here, transaction is a one operation. Transaction is a one operation, and it can have one or more other operations. Here transaction is a one operation and it can have one or more other operations. It is, we'll call it as one operation, but it contains sub operations like. To manage transactions manually in JDBC, we have the following methods. To manage transactions manually in JDBC, we have the following methods. Java transaction API, Java transaction service, separate topics are there. At the time, transaction related program separate will be there. Here only in JDBC, how to do, I'll explain. To manage transaction manually in JDBC, we have the following methods. What are the methods are there? I'll give. See, Java P, java.sql.connection. Connection interface you already studied. In that connection only, many methods are there to perform transaction operations. Here, methods. Set auto commit, get auto commit, commit, rollback, close. Set save point. Set save point name, rollback, release save point. These all transaction related. Now, note on these all methods. Right is all. So other all public abstract, that will leave it. Throws SQL exception, leave it. This throws SQL exception, leave it. All throws SQL exception only. All public abstract only, that is also leave it. Return type parameter, write it enough. It is used to set the auto commit mode. It is used to get the auto commit mode. It is used to save the transaction. It is used to cancel the transaction. Right, is all? If screen is not visible, relog in. Set auto commit mode. Set auto. It is used to set the auto commit mode. It is used to get the auto commit mode. It is used to save the transaction. It is used to cancel the transaction. So Sowlet's onwards programming style is going to be changed, complete different. Be regular. It is used to create a save point. It is used to create a save point with a specified name. Not over. Just connection. After that, how many methods completed? Okay, okay, right. This is over. Okay, okay, right. We want space. All throws SQL exception, all public abstract. That is whether write or not, leave it. Write return type, method name, parameter. That is important. Return type, method name, parameter, enough. That public abstract, public throws SQL exception not required. Okay, right. First, right. Those who didn't complete, right. Completed up to here. Up to here completed. Okay, continue. That save point released, deleted. So whatever we marked, that is removed. I'll explain. I'll explain with programs. Programs I'll explain. See, previous programs, we didn't use these methods. We didn't use. Okay. Now, connection interface you studied. Connection interface, 3 methods you studied. Create statement, prepare call. That is 1.0 library, 2.0 library, both you studied. By passing result set enhancements also. Okay. Is it over? No. I'll explain. Listen. Is it over? Completed all people? Now, listen. See, here transaction. Here transaction is one operation and it can have one or more other operations. Suppose transaction fund, like a transfer fund is one transaction. That is one operation, we'll call it. But there are 2 other operations will be there. One is withdraw, one more deposit, like that. So more than one operation as a unit we are calling. That is one transaction. Okay. To manage transactions manually in JDBC, we use the following methods. Here, actually by default, it is auto commit will be there. That's what we didn't commit generally. See, if you insert one record here, if you write here SQL query, after that commit compulsory, then only it is saved. But in a JDBC, after that commit, we are not writing because auto commit mode is true will be there. That is, I'm going to explain. See, first method, set auto commit boolean. Here, if you write true, set auto commit true. If you write automatically committed, automatically saved. If it write false, it is not saved. By default, auto commit mode is true. If you want to write true, this method is not required. If you want to write false, then this method is required. When you will use false, if you want to commit explicitly, if you want to manage transactions manually, in that situation, we have to use. See, just a note on that point. Note, by default, auto commit mode is true in JDBC. Note, by default, auto commit mode is true in JDBC. By default, auto commit mode is true in JDBC. By default, auto commit mode is true in JDBC. Now, I'll show you with examples. Suppose I'll open Eclipse. Here, total how many records are there? 7 records. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missed, 5, 6 missed, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 2 records deleted, roll number 4, roll number 6. That's what year 7 records, but roll number 9 up to 9 is there. Now, in JDBC, we written some programs. Okay. Connection demo. Now, this program, it is only connection. Okay. Here I'll write some code. You observe. I'll remove this. Up to here, connection established. Up to here, connection established. Connection is common. Okay. Now here, I want to insert one record. I want to insert one record. I want to insert one record. Then first, what we record? Statement or prepared statement or callable statement. Any one compulsory. Now I'll go for statement. What you have tried? Statement stmt equal to connection reference dot create statement. Okay. Now statement created. After this, I want to insert. For that, which method we'll use? Execute update. stmt dot execute update. Here I'll write query. Insert into student values. Student values. Suppose up to roll number 9 is there. Now I'll write 10. 10 triple J marks. Like this I written. Okay. Now one message. System.out.println. One record inserted successfully. I'll write. Okay. You observe, after this query, I'm not writing commit, but it is committed because by default auto commit mode is true in JDBC. By default auto commit mode is true in JDBC. Now I written insert query, but after inserting, I am not going to call commit, but it is committed. You observe. Now this program, right click, run as Java application. Select, okay, save. Here, 1 minute, one exception came. Missing student values. Student values. See, right click, run as Java application. Okay. See, one record inserted successfully. Okay, one record inserted successfully. I'll check here. Now, roll 7 records are there. Now, 8 records will be there. 8 records. Where is inserted, you see? So, already I told no. That is not last. Wherever space is there, they're inserted. Already I told. So, while inserting, wherever table space is available, in that space inserted. If you want to retrieve in an order, use SQL order. That's what SQL queries are there. SQL order by functions are there, no? You can use. Now here, one record inserted. But after writing insert query, I didn't commit. But it is committed. Reason, by default, auto commit mode is true in JDBC. That is the reason it's committed. But what I'll do with this auto commit mode, I'll change. We can change. See. Now, after establishing a connection reference dot set auto commit false. Now set auto commit false. Now false again. Now what I'll do, I'll insert roll number 11. Okay, roll number 11. Now I given. Now here connection dot set auto commit false. auto commit mode by default true was there. I change it to false. After that, I'm inserting. One record inserted successfully, message also written. You observe, right click, run as Java application. Here, what you are getting, one record inserted successfully are getting, but it is not inserted. You can see total how many records? 8. Now also 8 only. No, it is not committed because auto commit I removed. But here Java side what is showing? One record inserted successfully. It is showing, but it is not saved. In this situation, explicitly you try commit. After this line, connection reference dot here methods are there. Now set auto commit mode is by default will be there. I change it to false. Whether there are false there. If you want to confirm this method, you can call get auto commit. Now if I call this method now, you will get a false because get auto commit now false is there. Auto commit true is there, true comes. Now I changed. That's what. This is just you can find out whether auto commit mode true is there, false is there. But already you are writing auto commit mode true means true will be there. You are not writing means you are not writing means true will be there. You are writing means false will be there. But why this method you are doubt? Further what will happen? It is server side connection objects will be there. Here connection objects, connection pool, something will be there like this. Later what we'll do in a client system, we'll send one request, one object. This object comes here. That connection auto commit is there or auto commit not there, we cannot predict. You have to call. You can find out. Because connection will not be in your place. Other system also. Connection object you can bring. That connection is auto commit mode is there or not. I want to check. You can check with this method. Get auto commit. Auto commit true is there, true comes. Auto commit false is there, false comes. So you can check the position whether it is true or false. This is if you want to change the commit mode, use. If you want to get the commit mode, use. Okay. Now if you want to now what I given auto commit false I given in my program. See, set auto commit false. Now automatically not committed. Automatically not saved. Now what you have to do? You have to save explicitly. Then this method you have to write. If you want to cancel, this method you have to write. Rollback. Now here auto commit mode false I given. False I given. Now that is your depends upon your requirement. You can use. If you call commit, it is saved. If you call rollback, cancelled. That is you can manually manage. You can manually manage now. If I call commit method, that is saved. If you call rollback method, cancelled. That commit mode cancelled. Okay. Now like that you can do. Here connection reference dot commit. If I write now explicitly I committed. Now here previous year auto commit mode false is there. Now until you save this one, it is not saved. Like this I given. Now if I execute, it is inserted. Right click, run as Java application. Okay. See, one record inserted successfully. Now you can check. See, 9 records. Now where is inserted? See, 6th place. Wherever space is there, they're inserted. We cannot predict. But here only insert, you cannot specify. It is not possible. Okay. Now wherever table space appears, there it will insert. Here 10th record inserted, 11 inserted. Okay. Now suppose I want to check auto commit mode before this. True is there or false is there? I want to check. Then which method you have to call? Get auto commit. Get auto commit return type is Boolean. What you have to write? Boolean b equal to connection reference dot get auto commit. Now system.out.println B. Instead of writing 2 lines, can I write 1 line? Yes. Here directly get auto connection reference dot get auto commit. Now here what will get it here? True. Get auto commit true is there. True will get it. So after calling this one again, if I print false, connection dot get auto commit. Okay, auto commit. Now here you'll get it. Set get auto commit true. Here you'll get it false. Auto commit mode you can check. Checking purpose only get auto commit, that is. Okay. Suppose if I write here rollback, that is cancelled. Okay. Now here commit, it is saved. Now here suppose roll number 12, I'll insert. Okay. Now here suppose I'll write here rollback. Here I'll write rollback. After this, again one more execute update I'll write. After that commit I'll write. One is saved, one is cancelled. That type rollback you can use. Okay. Now it is commit. Now 12th record I'm going to insert. Say roll number 12. Now right click, run as Java application, save. See, true, false, one record inserted successfully. Now, say roll number 12 inserted. Okay. In this program, I used set auto commit, get auto commit, commit. 3 methods I used. Save point, separate program I'll give. First write this one. Program to demonstrate. Now write it. Program to demonstrate. Program to demonstrate. Set auto commit, comma, get auto commit and commit methods. Program to demonstrate, set auto commit, get auto commit. If screen is not visible, relog in. 1 person, 2 persons means that is problem your side only. Program to demonstrate, set auto commit, get auto commit and commit methods. Is it over? Here connection auto commit mode returns. Here auto commit mode changed. Again, you'll get the position. Is it over? Not completed. By default, auto commit mode is true or false? True. Here, what is output comes? True. I change it to false. Then here, what is output? False. Here, committed, saved. That's what this transaction executed. So this transaction executed, one record inserted successfully here also, then permanently stored in the database also. But if I don't write this line, is it stored? No. This is, we are managing explicitly. This transaction we are managing. Because by default auto commit mode true was there, I change it to false. Then you have to manage. Now save point. So save point, how to do, use, I'll explain. Is it completed? Now completed? Okay. See. In this program only, I'll do some changes. In this program only, you observe. Here, this get auto commit, I'll remove. Okay. This commit I'll remove, this one I'll remove. Now auto commit mode false I given. Auto commit mode false. Then only you can manage explicitly. But auto commit mode true is there, you cannot manage. That is system only will manage. Okay. If you want to manage explicitly, this is first you have to call set method false. Then only possible. Now, once if the connection is established, I made it as false. You can manage. That means, suppose here one query I want to write update. I want to update rule number 11 marks. I want to update. 19 marks is there. I want to make it 40. What we have tried? Update student set marks equal to 40, where roll number equal to 11. Okay. One is updating. One more, I want to delete. Execute, update, delete. One record I want to delete. Suppose any one record. Suppose roll number 10 I want to delete. Then what you write? Delete from student, where roll number equal to 10. One more record I want to insert. Insert update. Already roll number 12 is there. 13 I want to insert. Insert into student values. 13. M. Now, like this. Now, if I execute this program, Is it updated, deleted, inserted? Is all? No, because auto commit mode false. If I execute this program, record not updated, not deleted, not inserted. But if you write message, suppose here one record inserted, one record updated, one record deleted, it shows. It shows here, but they're not changed. No effect. Okay. Now my task is here. This one I want to save. This one I want to cancel. This one I want to save. What we have to do? After this, connection dot commit. Next, connection dot rollback. Next, con dot commit. Like this, we'll write. But we have another option for that only. Here, this one, you can create one save point. Now, connection reference dot set save point. Save point. Okay, that return type is save point. Save point, yes. One connection reference dot set save point. Okay. Now, save point is equal to connection dot set save point. What I'll do here, just connection reference dot rollback. Rollback here, rollback save point method is an I given methods here. Here, rollback that save point reference. Rollback save point reference you can pass. Here, rollback yes. Now, your save point started here. In between, whatever you write, that is rollback, cancelled. So, this is first you will write, and this is last you will write. In between, what are the transactions are exist, those all will be cancelled. Now, what I'll do after this, commit one time only I'll write. Commit one time only I'll write. Now, it is updated. It is inserted, but this is not deleted because this save point transaction cancelled. But commit how many times I am writing, you observe? One time only I am writing. Now, further what will happen? This type of application, money deducted from your account, money deposited to your friend account. Suppose this is failed, then this one you have to cancel. For that, we'll create save point, that is will cancel. Here, based on this condition, that type will be there. But those all separate libraries there. Okay. That same like a real time means you'll study in Spring Boot enterprise applications with JTS. Okay. Now what will happen? See here, auto commit mode false. One query update, one query delete, one query insert. But I created save point here. I called rollback. This is cancelled, but this is executed. This is executed. Now you observe roll number 10, 11. I'm updating. Roll number 10, deleting. Roll number 13, inserting. But one is, it is not done. Right click, run as Java application, save. I didn't write any output. You can check. You observe what I given roll number first, update roll number 11. Roll number 11. Roll number 11 marks is 40. That is okay. Next, roll number 10, deleting. It is not deleted. See, it is there. Okay. Next, roll number 13, inserted. This is save point usage. So one save point I created here, and from starting point to ending point, in between what are the transactions you written, those are cancelled. That purpose we use. Okay. Now, write this one. Program to demonstrate save point. Program to demonstrate save point. Program to demonstrate save point. So don't forget JDBC. JDBC also will use in solids. In solid program also JDBC will mix. Now record updated, but record not deleted. Record inserted. One record updated, one record inserted, but record is not deleted. If many save points are there, second method is there. You can specify names to remember, to identify. Set save point string parameter is there. That names you can identify, identification purpose. Many save points are there, you can use that. One save point is there, it is better. Many are there, that is. So here auto commit mode I given false. That means we are managing transactions. Now year one query, year one query, year one query. Now this one only I want to cancel. That's what save point I created. Okay. This one inserted. This one updated. This one inserted. This one only cancelled. Between save point. So save point here roll back cancelled. In between whatever you write, those are cancelled. So actually in real time what will be there? Real time will not be there like this. If you click on button cancel, if you click on OK save, that time will be there. HTML code also will attach. Then that code executed. This is one method will be there. This is another method will be there. Three different methods will be there. When you click OK button saved. When you click cancel button cancelled. There will write code. Connection in constructor will be there. And OK button one code will be there. Cancel button one more query will be there. That is HTML, solid, JDBC like that will mix that type. But present it is console type, this type. Okay. We'll see continuation tomorrow. Be regular, like solids are complete different. Core Java, JDBC one type. Solids onward complete different.